Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a birthday cake poppet.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw a cake shape very quickly. I start from the bottom, then I draw the creamy part like this. I draw 2 more layers. Then 3 candles on top. Finally, I divide this part into 2 and draw small circles on each lane. Very nice! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with red at the top. Then I use orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. And finally, pink at the bottom. Let's color the candles with aqua blue. Then I use yellow and orange for the flames. Fantastic! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.